Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are McPeek Adventures. Today we are doing another quick pit stop video here on historic Route 66 to show you something awesome. It may or may not be on Danny's shirt. All right, let's go adventuring. This is the brand new Stella Atom Space Cowgirl statue. She has her lassoing rope, the space gun, the jetpack. This thing is awesome. Over 19 feet tall, right?
Yes.
Or 19 feet tall. Got the butterflies and the flowers on the boots.
Her dress was inspired by a real outfit.
On June 28, 2024, Stella Atom Space Cowgirl arrived in Tulsa, Oklahoma at Buck Adams Cosmic Curios on historic Route 66, just on the other side of the building from the famous Buck Adams Space Cowboy statue. Stella Atom was dreamed up by Mary Beth Babcock, and a few special vendors helped bring her to life. Mark Klein of Enchanted Castle Studios made the giant Stella. The ray gun and jetpack were built by Josh Waddell of Three Bulls Upcycling, and the cosmic cuff was made by Beverly Wisson of Genuine Oklahoma Souvenirs. The concrete and brick base of Stella has some pretty neat details you won't want to miss. If you look closely, you may see some familiar names. Alright adventurers, this concludes our pit stop visiting the new Stella Atom Space Cowgirl statue.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our McPeek Adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure!